If you are looking for a hairstyle, I mean the style that will make you feel as if you didn't make any hair, and just watch this video till the end. Let me show you how I style this hair. First, I'm going to make a little braid inside to make it a bit fuller, just a very little. Like I said, this hair is a very easy hairstyle. So if you are looking for hairstyle that will not take your time and that will also not make your child to sit long for a long time. So just watch this video till the end. And also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also help us to share, guys. Thank you so much. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate your support. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also follow us for more videos like this. To our returning subscribers, to our returning followers, thank you so much for your endless support. We appreciate you all. So what I did about the hair, before I start doing the braid inside, at first I pack the hair. I just like pack it, braid it, big, and the reason I did it that way, I moisturize it before. You know, I said this in my previous video that most of the time I do moisturizing behind the camera before I start making the video. So what I'm just using now is just hair gel and hair cream is what I'm using. I will use these two together. If you'll be watching my video, you see that I always have it in my hand because I touch both hair cream and hair gel together. So because sometimes I don't like the way the gel like leave the hair later. So that is why I just add hair cream to it. Also to prevent it. You know, hair gel is not really not it's not a treatment, but hair cream is. So if you want your child not to be scratching hair that much, I tell you not just to moisturize your hair, always make sure the scalp is not dry. Dry scalps leads to hair scratching. When you scratch hair too much, that means the hair is already damaging. So that is one thing I notice about my kids. They don't scratch their hair, not because they can't do it, but because I've not given them the reason to be scratching their hair. So guys, as I'm sharing this, I hope you are following my hand. You see the way I'm doing it, because I just want to like to share this a little. Why some people complain that their hair scratches them too much, and some they think because they are applying hair and oil, that is why the hair is scratching. No, if your hair is scratching you, that means the scalp is dried. So that is why it's scratching you. So don't fail to always apply hair cream on your hair and also oil. So even before you apply oil, first of all, apply hair cream, then let oil be the last thing you apply on it. So when I moisturize my kids' hair behind the camera, I always kind of add oil to it to make the hair soft and to make the down always oily. It's very nice. So that is the reason why they are not scratching their hair. So if you feel, if you see, or yeah, if you see your children scratching their hair, just make sure to oil their hair. And also you can also be spraying it. So with a air oil spray. Okay, guys, I hope you're following what I'm doing. So this third one I'm parting now, I'm going to weave it front. I'm not going to just weave it back like the one I do to these two. So here is how I'm doing it. I weave this tiny one. This one is tinier than the ones I cut before. That because I'm going to take it back later. So I weave it down. So after I can roll it down, then I stopped. I just leave it. Then before I part another one. If you still watched it this time, it means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for watching it this time. And please, if you are not subscribed, do subscribe. And thank you so much. So guys, this is what I said. So this is another one that I part after I finish unrolling that one. So now I'm going to add this hair to it, just like this. I'll add it to it, then curl everything together. So, and another thing I want to say, guys, when you are making most especially kids hair, don't hold, most especially the edge of the hair, don't hold it too tight. It causes damage. So to make the hair start damaging from the root. So because when the hair is damaged from the root, it is hard before the hair will come back. Even if the hair will come back, but it's very difficult. So to avoid that kind of thing, we don't supposed to hold the front of our kids' hair that tight, and also it also make them don't want to make hair again, because when it's paining them, they wouldn't want to make it anymore. Doesn't mean we shouldn't hold it, yes, but not that tight that will not make them uncomfortable. So I chose to make this um easy hairstyle because I have a little baby, and I have to make the hair that will be fast as soon as possible before I start taking care of the little baby. So this side I'm parting now, this very one here, is going to be the same thing with the one I parted before. But the difference between this one is I'm not going to return it the way I do the other one. This one, I'm just going to make it and leave it. So I'm going to be using two lines here. So this is the first one, and after this, I'll make the other one. So the reason why I added hair extension to this one, because I'm going to leave it to be side. So if you also see the way I part this hair, it's not that, how do I say it? It's not just front, because her hair is long. There is no way I will cut the hair short that will make the hair not to cover her eyes or not to enter her eyes. So that's why I made it a little bit side. She wanted something to just come to her, the front of her hair. So that something that will enter her face. So that is why I made it that way. So one thing I also talk about in my video is when you are making kids hair, show them the hairstyle you want to make them. Make sure they are okay with it. In that way, they will allow you to make their hair, and they will be excited knowing that you are making the hairstyle they want for them. So this is just it. The hair is not difficult. It's not hard. The style is very easy. And I just, before I know, we were done. So, and yeah, and it came out very, very fine, as you can see. So, and if you don't know the kind of treatment you'll be using to moisturize your kids' hair, maybe you want to make their hair is always hard, because I'm making my three girls hair. If you are following my channel, you see that I'm making my three girls hair, and their hair, they have different hair texture. So they don't have the same hair texture. This one I'm making right now, the texture is different from the other ones. So I know the way I'm treating all of their hair. So if you are finding it difficult to know the kind of treatment to apply on your kids' hair, maybe hair mask or hair oil or something like that, that to make their hair soft, maybe their hair is hard and all that, just let me know. Contact me and I'll put you through on which kind of hair products you should use. That'll be very good for you. Okay. Thank you so much. So this is just how we do it, and this is the last one I'm making right now. So, and what I did finish the hair till like when I after weaving it now, so I have the hair, because of the coiling tip, as you see from the beginning of this video. So I didn't finish it, so I can just thread that part and coil it. Someone once asked me, must it be any thread that you want you can use to coil hair? Yes, of course, you can use anything, as long as you know that it can hold it and tighten it. You can use anything to weave, to thread your hair before coiling it. After all, you're going to cut it off. You understand? It doesn't matter which color you have. So before I start threading it, I first put the tips together and I comb it. I use a brush first before I use little comb to comb it, to make sure there's no hair inside. So after that, I started doing this thread. Then when I'm done to the tip, I push it down. Then I have to secure the tip. I have to like thread it one or two times before I tie it. And the front also the same thing. This is one I told you that I was going to make two front, because I showed one. I didn't show the other one because it's the same thing. So I don't want it to be too long. That's why I didn't show the other one. So the same coiling and everything. So after doing it this way, I just put them in hot water at the same time. And when I put it in the hot water, I put it till almost the edge of the hair. So I didn't only wear the tip, both the to her hair and everywhere. So, and yeah, everything came out perfect. So here it is. I have to take them out one after the other. And after that, I just wrap it for her, like just like this. I let it drop a little. So I use hair packer. You can use any hair packer or anything to hold it, but this is the one I just get instantly. You can use black or other color. So guys, here is the hairstyle. I hope you like this hairstyle, and I hope to see you guys in our next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Thank you so much for watching one more time, and bye for now.